In this video, we're getting an insane deal on a 9th gen Honda Civic SI. So we got a little lot full of trucks and we are hopping in the Eco Beast. Right now, she's already warmed up and running. But we are headed out right now to, you co-piloting? Yes?
Yes, sir.
We're headed out right now to get this Civ. We're going to Chase first, grab some food first, then Chase, then Civ. I think it's a pretty good deal. I have him talked down substantially from where he is, and no, it's not going to be a breadwinner for the lot because mainly it's 4x4 trucks, as you can see. But I'm a big Honda guy, so I'm using my funds and my knowledge to be able to get this Civ, enjoy it a little bit, sell it for more, and prove once again that you can drive whatever you want at absolutely no cost or even profitably. And quick disclaimer, you do not need to be a dealer to do this. You can make money driving the vehicles that you want. Daily this Civic, autocross it, do whatever you want with it, but own it profitably. That's the goal anyway. Quick stop at the Subby Baby. We got some 10% off coupon and free cookies thanks to the plug. About a feast and then cash. So we are set on the food situation. We got about 20 minutes until we get to the Chaser Poops and withdraw enough cash for this Civ and enough play money for the rest of the week. Cash some checks as well, get that taken care of, and then we are to the Civ. I can't wait. He was asking $9,500. I'll throw up a picture of the original ad right here, and I talked him down. I shot him at like 6, and then we met smack dab in the middle at Bullion style at 7K, or 65, somewhere around there. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I can talk him down in person even further, hope for the best, but it's a strong buy. Even at 7. So anyway, onward we go. The pouch is full once again, and I even snagged a couple candies. Hey, by the new Lexus right in front of us. Sweet. Checking it out, everything looks good other than the roof. There's the typical 8th gen paint fade even on this one. I just ran the Carfax. It's a 3-owner, minor damage, but the Carfax history base value is 12K, and if we could get it for half of that, that would be killer. Anyway, gonna feel it out. It's riding probably not quite as well as I would like. The brakes aren't the strongest or the tightest, and then it has that weird pull, but once it warms up, I'll crack some tech, feel it out, and make sure that everything is solid. Anyway, that's it for now. All right, pulling back in on the test drive. Time to put you in my pocket, take you along for the negotiation. The clutch and like engine and everything seemed healthy. The only thing that seemed like more warm were the brakes.
Okay.
Have you ever had those done?
I've never done them.
Okay.
I don't know the last week.
I might hold off because I know I was like out of the gate hoping to spend a little bit less, and then came up because you said you would come down but not quite as low, and then I didn't realize the paint fade or just the brakes. So unless you would be willing to come down for that. So 65 minus 15, yeah, maybe like 5, just keeping that in mind.
Well, this, I'll do, I'll even do you better. I'll do $4,800.
Cold start the Rari boy. I am so unbelievably stoked on this deal. Holy crap. Yeah, Jesse's shaking his head. He can't believe it either. This is so sweet. I stole this thing. Less than 5K, $4,800. It has the paint fade on the roof that it obviously wasn't appropriate to show you at the time, but I will be showing you as soon as we get back to the shop. And then the brakes are fine. Like, they're drilled and slotted rotors, probably just need some new pads and a good bleed. That's what it feels like. There's no warping or shifting per se. Like, I can slam on the brakes, I'll accelerate with that tech to the stop. It doesn't stop too hard, but doesn't like shake the wheel. I'll get a little POV driving action. I'm trying to shift with my left hand and steer at the same time while I'm talking to you on the phone. So I better go and check the maps to see where I need to go and also get some air in this tire. Anyway, unbelievably stoked on the deal, and I will sign off for now. So that's gonna be it for this video. Now, if you're interested in learning how I was able to score such a good deal, nearly half off, and well below half of the Blue Book value on this car, then hit the link down below. I'll teach you how to drive your next vehicle at no cost or even profitably. All of the strategies, techniques, and tactics I've used for years to do exactly that and own all of my dream vehicles and bikes like I have pictured behind me. Anyway, if you like that video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date with this Civic specifically and any of the other vehicles on the channel. And with that in mind, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.